Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Judy here, and I wanted to pop on because I had a funny thing happen yesterday, and I thought I'd share it with you. It really made me take a step back and think that I need to slow down when I'm making online purchases because, generally we have a good idea of what we're going to get, and it works out well. Or at least it's not that weird. But instead, this time, it went wrong. It went really, really wrong. And I guess I'm lucky. It could have gone a whole lot worse. It could have been a much more important item that went wrong. But this is nowhere near like the time when I bought those fake Louis Vuitton purses because that was a shit show. But that's okay. I didn't spend more than $15 on this mess. So, is anybody around? You guys want to hear my funny story? Who's here to hear my funny story? And I need to know if you've got a funny story like this too. Because I think that some of you just might. I hope some of you might. Okay, so y'all know I talked the other day about starting this transformation, this mostly new, healthier eating and whatnot. So the first 3 days are detox, and they give you a set menu. They don't tell you when you have to eat the foods, but just these are the bunches of foods that you eat over the course of the 3 days. Whatever combinations you want, eat these meals whenever you feel like it. And there's a shopping list and recipes, and it's awesome. So one of the recipes called for sun-dried tomatoes, preferably in no oil. Now, I just used up the last of the ones that I had. Could not for the life of me remember where I got them. I don't think I found them in a store. I think I probably ordered them off of, I don't think it was shipped. So I thought maybe it was Whole Foods. And then I looked my past orders with Whole Foods and there was nothing there. So then I thought maybe I did order it through Shipt. So I hop on Shipt, I'm looking at Kroger's, I'm looking at H-E-B, searching. I don't see anything that's sun-dried tomatoes with no oil. Now, if you know me, you know I don't like to shop. I don't like to run out to the store and meander through the aisles and hope that I find what I'm looking for. Nobody's got time for that crap. So I thought, let's try Amazon. Maybe they'll have it. So I pop onto Amazon and I search sun-dried tomatoes. I don't even search oil-free because that's not going to come up. But I was able to go in and look at the ingredients on each of the things. And I found some. They looked a little expensive compared to the others. But when I looked at what they contained, it was just the tomatoes and something for a preservative, I think. But it was like, no oil, this is good, this is what I need. Well, they only had it like in a 5-pound bag. Now, something else you know about me, if you know me, is I'm not good at things like estimating distances or size. It's not my thing. That all falls into the realm of math for me, not my strongest suits. I'm okay with that. I know my limitations. I'm a self-aware woman. I can deal with this. So I'm like, 5 pounds. Yeah, that sounds like a lot, but it gave instructions for how you could store the rest after you opened it, because obviously I'm not using it all at once, not for 3 days worth of meals in one recipe. So I was like, okay, this is good. It says store in an airtight container in the refrigerator for longer freshness. I'm like, okay, I can do that. Well, yesterday this box arrives from Amazon. And the box is 3 feet by 2 feet. Like, holy shit. What did Joel order? That just came in from Amazon. And then I look at the tag, and it's addressed to me. It's not addressed to Joel. Like, oh my God, what did I order that I didn't realize I ordered? Y'all, I was really good on Black Friday and even Cyber Monday, and I didn't go crazy with the shopping. I remember the things that I ordered. So this one was sort of throwing me off. And something was bouncing around the box. Like, oh my God. So I opened the box. You ready to see what I got? It's my sun-dried tomatoes. It's so much sun-dried tomatoes. It's like It's like it's bigger than my head. Look at this. All of this. Look. Do you see this? This is not what I thought I was getting. Now, for $15, okay, that's a good value. It's not expensive like I thought. It's way more than I needed. But then when I'm reading the more detailed instructions on how to store the excess, because God knows there's going to be excess for months. It's talking about I need an airtight bag to store them in. So I'm thinking, what's that device that they used to sell on, as seen on TV, where you put the stuff between the cellophane thing. That's not cellophane. I don't know what it is, like the plastic. And then it squishes it together to push all the air out. I'm going to need one of those. So this is what happens. I go to buy one recipe worth of sun-dried tomatoes with no oil. I end up with a bag this big of sun-dried tomatoes. And now I'm going to have to go spend like $100 or more on something to save it so I don't throw away my $15 worth of sun-dried tomatoes. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to buy that storage thing. I'm also really disappointed that I'm going to lose out on my oil-free tomatoes. So, hey, if anybody local to me needs some extra sun-dried tomatoes, you guys hit me up because I have so many. So many. I'm afraid to even open it to make my recipe because I don't know. What am I going to do with the rest? I don't have airtight containers I have, but something that like squishes all the extra air out so they don't get funky. Oh my God, you guys. Are there any suggestions? Hey, Chris. Hey, Janet. Hey, Brad. I don't know who's still here. Thank you for joining me. Sorry, I was on a roll. Totally freaked out that I thought I was just like, there I was just, buying my little one recipe worth of sun-dried tomatoes. And then it was this. Y'all, they're heavy. This is what I got. That's a lot. It's not attractive either. Hey, Maddie. Hey, you're local. Do you need some sun-dried tomatoes? I thought I was getting like a little bag. I thought I was getting just a little bag of them. I thought I was going to be able to make my recipe, have a little bit left over. I'd stick in the fridge in a little Tupperware. And I have this. I mean, what the hell do you even make with sun-dried tomatoes besides what I was going to make? I don't even know. You guys, usually I would just like throw them in salads. What do you do with them? Oh, I really need help. Seriously need help about this. So, this is what happens. You don't think you do. I bet you could find a way to use them, Madison. Come by, come get some. Bring that baby to see me. It'll be a good excuse. Okay, so I'm going to have to start. Y'all send me recipes for sun-dried that use sun-dried tomatoes. Send me recipes. Got to be like meat and dairy free, but send me recipes. So I got to cook a lot in a short time. So this is what I get for thinking I was just spending a tiny bit extra, $15 because they were supposed to be good quality. This is crazy. Okay, y'all. Hey, Deb. Okay, you got here at the end. $15. Buy you this bag. If you're local, I'm sharing. Okay, y'all. I gotta run. I got calls coming through. Talk to you later. Bye now.